Hello guys and welcome to another video. We have the official confirmation that Dacia Duster and Dacia Bigster will have a 4x4 automatic model. Yeah, so the good news is that this model will go into official launch, or it will be officially launched at the end of this year. It will the orders will start in the beginning of 2026, and the bad news, or at least the neutral news, is that it will also feature an LPG system. So we will have an automatic EDC gearbox with double clutch. We will have an all-wheel drive, which means that the rear axle will be electric. The electric motor will be powered by the 48 volts battery. The battery will continuously charge while driving. All this will be used on the 1.2 3-cylinder engine that we already have both on the Duster and the Bigster. Yeah, I don't know if it's good news or it's not that good news. Honestly, I would have wanted this variant but without the LPG, but this way we get more than 1,000 kilometers of driving autonomy, and of course we will have a better efficiency when it comes to CO2 emissions and a lower cost for each mile, considering the fact that the LPG is around half the price of the petrol. Also, there will be some steering wheel pedals, yeah, maybe on the Bigster and the high-end Duster. And this Duster variant will have an approximate price of 27 to 28,000 euros. What do you think about this? I don't want the LPG system. I'm very curious to see if we will have a spare wheel, or at least a small size spare wheel for the four-wheel drive variant. I honestly don't like going off-roading without a spare wheel. There are too many things that could happen. You can cut your tire and you cannot fix it, so you can go to a tire shop, or you can go home and replace it. And if we won't have a spare tire, well, that will be somehow it will be a problem for me. Nevertheless, the most important thing is to have a 4x4 automatic Duster. That's what I want for next year. And I must say that there are other factors, like how many miles my current Duster will have when I am going to order the new one, what price can I get on my Duster, and of course what's the price difference between what I'm getting on my current Duster versus what I have to pay for the newer one. Of course, just like me, many of you would have wanted the 1.8 full hybrid engine with the rear axle, with the electric rear axle. But I am sure that we will get that engine setup when the facelift Duster 3 will be released. Until then, we have to wait, and we have to either choose the manual 6-speed 1.2 4x4 Duster, or starting next year, automatic LPG e-4 wheel drive Duster. So let me know in the comment section, which one would you choose? Do you think having an LPG Duster in off-roading is a good thing, a not that good thing, or it's not that important? Let me know in the comment section, and until next time, take care and drive safe. Bye bye.